Can you tell us a little bit about your system this year here at Munich show?
Okay, so this year we're showing the Vox Olympian and the Vox Elysian. Last year we showed the Palladian and the Palladian Basso. So this is the top model that we make. It's fundamentally the same DNA as the Palladian Basso, but it's executed to the nth degree in terms of fit and finish. There are some technological differences that elevate its performance. It's a 5-way horn system, so the low bass is fully horn loaded, the mid bass is horn loaded. It's a full range horn, which I think distinguishes it from a lot of loudspeakers which like to get lower bass extension by changing the technology for the low end, and I personally have some problems with that. I can never get that to be seamlessly integrated. So yes, we're showing that, and we're using some of the old Mr. Kondo amplifier designs with the M77, an SJS phono stage for one of the tone arms, a Kondo M7 phono stage for the other. This is the Monaco Audio Grand Prix, the Grand Prix Audio Monaco 2 record player. And we've got a Kuzma 4-point and a Fuga, loading into a Lundau Permaloy transformer 1:32, and we have a Vivlabs RF7 rigid float tone arm with a 1958 design fundamentally, so a modern record player and a 1958 cartridge. This is the Autophon SPU A85. The whole of the system is running off this 800 ampere hour battery power supply with 2 parallel inverters. And the whole thing's hooked up with Kondo wire.
You're doing things in a very different way. Spoke, exotic, luxurious. Can you tell us a bit about a living voice philosophy, and what are you trying to represent, musically?
Yeah, well, the challenge in audio is rescuing music from technology, and there are many paths to get to the top of the hill, and I think you just need to have some conviction and some focus and follow that path. I mean, we have a range of reflex-loaded 2-way loudspeakers, which give, I find, a very profound and meaningful musical experience, and you're not distracted by any thought that the music is being reproduced through mechanical devices, and I'm very, very happy with that. And there's an integrity to that technology. There's an integrity to this technology in that it's using horn loading throughout, using Alnico magnets throughout, got beryllium upstairs, aluminium paper. The musical experience is a very delicate and fragile thing, and I think what we want from our hi-fis is to be able to forget about them. I mean, you don't want to be reminded of the fact you're listening to a hi-fi. You want to have an emotional journey, whatever that emotion might be, through music. And it's an easy thing to say. Lots of people say, oh, we create emotions, we make emotional things. But to actually get there is really quite difficult, and it involves very, very careful voicing and blending of materials, technology types. So we spend hours and hours and hours, weeks, months. We've spent years developing these speakers through iterative development, empirical development, and I think that's why people find them a profoundly musical thing.